friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on fantastic apps that will help you a lot. But before heading towards the video, first of all, like, share and subscribe our channel and do like this video as well. And don't forget to put on your notifications bell so that whenever we upload this informative videos, you can get notified. Now, without any delay, let's get started. Friends, if I say there is an app that can hide your photos, videos, apps, messages, calls in your phone and absolutely free and unlimited. Yes, that can hide your photos and videos from your photo gallery and access them easily using a secret PIN code. Now you can easily share your phone without worrying about privacy. Now I know you all want to know which app is it. You want to know which app is it? And it will I will share the link in the description box of this video. You can go to the description box and you can click on the link and you can download the app. The app is Hide It Pro. It disguises itself as an audio manager app which can be used to turn the volumes up and down. But if you long press on the audio manager, the actual title appears on the screen. Now everybody nowadays wants privacy in their phones because we have those private pictures, images and videos in our phone, but we always worry about if anybody can see it, what will happen if we give our phone to other but now if you download this app, your all problems will solve and all your privacy remain your privacy. Now you can actually with this app, now you can there is a secret vault will appear that can hide your photos, videos, messages, apps, etc. and it's very safe. If I talk about the features, guys, it categorizes media into hidden folders of your choice only. It have free cloud backup on files. It's also available, and it have integrated hide players with support for VLC player, MX player, etc. And it has multiple lock screen options like pin, password, pattern and even fingerprint, whatever you want. There are various options, and it has built-in encryption tool also to secure your important files with other features like secret and private messaging and call, private browse you can do with more amazing features like custom slideshows. You can even batch delete it, you can share and you can move your data between the albums, sort the files and folders to your liking. So these are many amazing features in this single app. And moreover, friends, we all want our phones to be secured and our privacy remains privacy, isn't it? So do download this app. I will tell you about how to download it and how to have open it and how to use it. Be with me till the end of the video. I'll show you just after this.
Friends, now I will tell you about the app, how to install it and what are its other features, how to use it. We click on the install and it will take few seconds to install. See, it's given 4.1 star ratings. It's of 14 MB and 50 million plus download has been done so far. Everybody is using because nowadays everyone wants privacy, right? So sometimes we have to give our phones to other hands, so we always have in mind ki we are having some personal pics or videos and something like that, what to do with it. Now easily you can hide your images, photos and videos with the help of this app, and you can access all your hidden data in one place only. You can organize your photos in various folders of your choice. You can now enjoy your moments in privacy, and there are many features like hide or lock apps. You can even privately message or call, as I have told you. Cloud backing is there. You can create secret notes. You can even share secretly. You can have a fake vault option also, site shows, etc. everything. Now we click on open. As soon as you click on open, this type of interface will come. You have to tap and hold on the logo because I have told you it disguises itself as audio manager. See, like we press it and it is showing Hide It Pro setup, right? And before proceeding further, it will ask you about the PIN code. You have to set the There are two options. You have to set a numeric pin code. You will be asked to enter it when you access your hidden files. And the other option is you will have a lock screen based password that will show you a box where you type in password to log in. Now it is showing me I will set up as something like that. I'll save it, and you can also change your password later on if you want. It will ask you a recovery email that lets you retrieve your PIN or password if in case you forget it. I will skip for now. You can enter that. Now it will ask you a few permissions to write data or your phone storage. You have to give it permission. I will give it while using the app. Now you have to allow Audio Manager or HideIt Pro to access your photos, medias on your device. Now see, here you have to long press it and you have to enter the password that you have selected. You have to grant few more permission. This app is totally safe. You will grant the permission. Now as soon as it will access all your files, till then it will take a few seconds to load it all. It's really a secured app, and it will access all your files. We click on the Audio Manager. You have to allow it. Okay, then you have to go back. Now this type of interface will come. In this pictures option, this type of vault will appear for you. This is your personal vault. In this pictures, you can save your pictures. Like I click, you can create your album. In videos, you can create new album, or you can save your album. In music also like this. You can hide your apps if you want, and it will ask you permission for rooted. If it's not rooted, you can not use it. You can even lock your apps. You have to get plugin for free. Everything is free here. You can, it's your personal file manager that can manage your all files. Messages, now you can SMS and block the calls even, and have your private conversations with your friends and all. This chat secretly, you can here secretly you can chat with your loved ones all over the world. No phone number, nothing is required. In this notes option, you can create your own notes and you can save it. You can download vBrowser for your ultimate private browsing from it. These is for your encryption files, and as soon as you click on the settings, you can have settings as per your choice. You can remove the ads, you can have backup option, general settings, appearance, login settings, advanced settings, other settings. You can do as per your choice. Then when you click on the help option, it is given how, if you don't know how to hide, procedures of how to hide, how to unhide, how to move data to a new phone, how to backup data on your computer, how to move data. It's given all the manuals. You can have a look at it and you can easily do that. And as soon as you click on the three dots, you can edit your wall skin also. It means you can drag the items of your choice. You can drag here and here wherever you want to. So it's an amazing one. You can have a look.
Ooh, so many features in one single app. Oh gosh, now our phone is totally secure and we can enjoy our private moments. So do let me know, and you can write your suggestions and your views in our comment section, and you can download it right now. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Turn on the notifications bell so that we can, whenever we upload any video, you will get notified. I will come with more amazing videos. Till then, stay safe.